Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Yesterday we talked about Terra Classic losing about $310 million since Terra Classic started crashing, started dropping in price, which I know not just Terra Classic, other coins also have been dropping. Now, as of today, Terra Classic have actually lost about $420 million market cap within 5 days. Okay, today Terra Classic have lost about $420 million in 5 days, despite Binance burning over 8 billion coins of Terra Classic just few days ago. But this coin is now recording a very high drop on market cap and even on price. Well, I think this is a lot of money. $420 million is a lot of money. $220 million already gone, and now we are back on the market cap. The Terra Classic is now back about on $700 million, and this was where we were about few months ago, about last year, where Terra Classic was still on $700 million, about almost 4 months or 5 months ago. But now Terra Classic is almost back to 5 months ago. But I still believe this is still going to stop. Terra Classic will soon start gaining itself back, and thank God this is not just about Terra Classic this time around, because I believe there are many coins have been dropping. Even BTC, Bitcoin also have been dropping. Cryptocurrency general market have also lost greatly. The market cap of cryptocurrency generally have really lost a lot. So if you watch cryptocurrency, as of a few days ago, the total market cap of all the whole cryptocurrency was over $1 trillion, and now we are back to below $1 trillion. So that's why you even see Terra Classic also have really been affected by this. And today, as of today, in the past 5 days, just 5 days ago, Terra Classic have lost about $420 million already gone. And if this continues, this coin might be dropping to $500 million or $400 million market cap. It's not even up to 10 days. We are talking about $1.1 billion market cap, and now we are talking about just $700 million market cap. This is a lot. This is a great loss, but I hope that everything will be fine. I hope Terra Classic will bounce back, and I hope to see the market cap back again on over $1 billion market cap trading, which I know we are going to bounce back. Well, $420 million is a lot. $420 million is a great loss for Terra Classic. But let's watch to see before the end of this month where cryptocurrency will be, where Terra Classic will be, where Bitcoin will be. But please remember to subscribe to our channel in order not to miss our next updates.